In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your computer screen is stuck on the BIOS. So whether you're stuck on the advanced settings or just the regular BIOS window, I'm going to show you how to fix this. Now, first thing you want to do is come over to the advanced settings of your BIOS page. You then should see an option called something like Save and Exit. Go and click on this. Now from this page, you're looking for an option called something like Restore Defaults or Restore Initial Settings. Now go and select this, and this will restore all of your settings back to their original defaults. You can then go and save your changes and restart your computer, and that should fix the BIOS problem. Now if you can't find this option from this window, then you'll just need to go into the easy mode settings in your BIOS page, and you should have an option somewhere called Load Optimized Defaults, and you can go and click on that instead, and once again restart your computer, and that should have solved the BIOS stuck issue. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.